Hello, I am Niranjan Kesabu, a student at IIT Kharagpur. I am in section 11 and my roll number is 20ME10057. As a part of the DIY activity, I have made two parts, that is a light frame and a stylish glass. Now, this is the light frame. I proceeded like this. First, I created an outline using B-spline and some other features. It's almost like this. And then what I did was that I used the revolve option, which you can see here, to create a solid body. Then I selected a face, which you cannot see that here, but there was one face and I selected it. Then I applied this option called thickness, so that made this body a hollow one. After that, I did some filleting and chamfering. After doing this, I made an array of cuboids. This option represents that, and I made them intersect with this body. Then I applied the part Boolean operation cut, so that I would get the slit-like structure. So this is how I created the light bulb frame. Now moving on to the next part, that is a stylish glass. This glass was created using loft feature. So before making this part, I made this handle. Like the previous case, I made a B-spline sketch like this, and then I revolved it around the y-axis using this revolve option. After doing that, I did some filleting here, and then I made 4 squares. You can see that here. So these are the outlines of the squares, these white lines. Then after making them, and all of these are in different planes, as you can see here. So after making all of these squares, what I did was that I applied the feature called additive loft. So this option creates this continuous curved surface. And after making a solid body, I selected a face which was initially present here, and applied this thickness option. So I got this hollow kind of structure. Then I created a mesh for this whole figure. This was done for 3D printing. And after that, I created a pad also, and also created a mesh for that. So this is how I created the stylish glass using loft feature. So that's all. Thank you.